Hello and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do wire weaves around two base wires. Just little simple designs. They're kind of fun though. So today I am working with Benecraft wire, and it's 18 gauge. That's what the base wires are. And 28 gauge is what I'm using for the wire weaving. So that'll be the designs that goes around it. So when you get started, generally you want to wrap it around the bottom wire about 3 times, and that way, see, I'm just going to weave that in there, and then I'm going to hold that with my thumb. So generally you wrap it around 3 times just to hold it in place, or to help hold it in place at least. So then I'm going to tighten those up. So the first weave I'm actually going to show you though is, it's very simple, it's very common. So I'm actually going to wrap it around 10 times to show you my favorite way to do it. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 8, 9, and 10. So then I'm going to push those all together, tighten them up, and then I'm going to go around both wires 1 time. And then I'm going to go around the bottom wire again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to tighten them up there and make the focus work again. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to go around both of them once. So that's just my favorite way to do it. You can do it all sorts of ways though. I'm going to show you. Actually, let me show you what it looks like when it's done. So this section right here is what that weave looks like when it's continued. But you can vary it. You can actually go around twice if you want to. Go around both of them twice. Creates just a little bit different look. You can go around the bottom like just 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push them together and then go around 1, 2. You can see that creates just a little bit different of a look. If my focus will work with me. And then if you want to, you can actually create more of a boxy design. So you can actually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll go around the top 5 times as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when you do go around that many times though, I would recommend that you clamp it with your little tool, and that'll just make it more straight. So you can see that creates a little bit more of a boxy look. We're looking at just that section, as opposed to a little bit more stretched out. But the fun thing about that is you can vary it however you want to. So you can actually do like 5 up top, and if I did just 3 on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, then you can see you have more of this going on than this down here. It just creates a different look, but that's the fun thing about it, is you can basically do whatever you want. So I'm going to show you a couple of different weaves. Oh, actually, you know what? If you want a different type of boxy look, I'm going to finish this weave here. I'm going to actually go 5 just on the bottom here, and then I'm going to go like this. I'm going to bring the wire back around on the back side around both of them, but instead of going around both of them, I'm just going to go on the top wire 5 times. 4, oh sorry, 2, 3, can't count, 4, there's 4, and 5. Push that together. There you go. I'm going to do it again on the bottom so you can see better what it looks like. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're gonna focus in again, so sorry about that. So that's kind of what it looks like. It leaves one half kind of bare. And the cool thing about this weave too is that if you pull these apart just a little bit, you can actually turn it into a cool looking bale. So I'm going to bring it back around the other side. I'm going to actually turn it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Focusing on that. And then I'm going to bring it back around the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that this little triangle section-y part starts to form. I'll do it one more time so you can see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oop. I'm so sorry about that. And then you can bring it back around like this. Okay, so you can see that triangle section that's starting to form. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like on a pendant here. So this is what the bale looks like when you do 5 and 5 on each side, and it just keeps crisscrossing like that. Go around the back and you just pull it back and make a bale. And what I did with this one actually was I created this basket, I guess, out of that weave to hold my stone in place. So you can see that I did it on this one as well. So you can see the crisscrosses up here. And then my little basket. I call it a basket. It's not the actual basket weave though, just not to be confused. But that's what that looks like. And then just a variation on the first weave that we did. This one's more boxy. This is the 2 wires where you just go around the one and then the other one. So I think this is just 5 and 5. But that's what that looks like. So I'm going to show you one more that you can do with just 2. I'm actually going to bring these together, and I'm gonna go this way because this is just how I'm used to doing it. Bring my wire around, sorry. Okay, so you go around one side, then the other side, and then we're gonna go around both of them. So I'm going around one side. This is kind of hard to do from the other weave. I'm gonna go around this other side. My wires are getting twisted up. So 1, and then both. Okay, and I'm going to do that again. So I'm going to go around one side and the other side, and then both sides again. So I'm going to do this a couple more times so you can kind of see what it looks like when it gets going. So one side, and then both. And I'm going to push those together so you can kind of see what's starting to form there. Do it a couple more times because it's kind of hard to see. It's a really cool design though, and I really like it. And then both. And go around 1 and 2 and both. Okay, and then I'm going to push that down so you can kind of see what's starting to form here. If my thing will focus. There we go. So that's kind of what it looks like when it gets going. I'm going to show you the bale on this one. That's what it is right there. That's what it looks like. So I just did that for a while and then just folded it over to create the bale. So that's what that looks like. So I hope that was really helpful for you, and those are just 4 really simple, very easy weaves that you can do just with 2 wires, and you can use them for decoration or for bales obviously. And so yeah, I hope that helps you out. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button, and you can go ahead and subscribe if you feel like it. I put tutorials up all the time. I've got a tutorial on how I made this pendant start to finish. So you can go watch that. It'll be linked down in the description. And also you can follow me on Instagram. And I also have an Etsy shop if you're interested in checking out the pendants that I have for sale. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.